Okay, this is the last video on the 8-tube Elkin. This one was built based on the high voltage from these particular transformers. It was built somewhere in the late 60s. I thought originally maybe a little newer, but it's not, because it's only running about 650 volts. Was about 650 volts on the on AC on the plate transformer. Now it's about 900 volts, 875. Used a transformer wired in a boost configuration. Then I had to correct, in a previous video I showed, had to correct the filament voltage and bring that back into spec. The bias circuit I originally repaired, it had some bad Zeners and bad resistor in the bias circuit. Fixed that. Replaced a couple bad resistors in the grid circuit. These tubes are about 1946, 47, 48, somewhere along there. 1625s. They really didn't make any more past about 1951. But based on all production numbers, in fact, one of these had a 1949 date code on the base. It's JAN, Joint Army Navy tubes. Anyway, so it's a link coupled input and output. The later ones actually had a cap to cancel some of the reactance to tune that circuit to more 50 ohms heading out. And so I added that to this one here. So originally it was doing about 400 watts. Not unusual. Some of the early, even the 12 tubes only did about 500. It was because of that plate voltage. The later ones ran around 850 to 900 volts because it was different transformers. So I used a transformer in the boost mode. It's bolted to the back there. Got it wired in boost configuration, and I got the voltage up now. It's about 1100 volts DC now. So it's with low drive 3N modulating about 6 or 7 from my little converted 10 meter rig up here on 29.0 AM. Was it about 3? About 850. So that's not bad for this old girl. Anyway, got a couple holes in the case to drill to finish anchoring the transformer, and she's ready to head home.